In this video, I'm going to be stripping this and giving it a nice custom paint job.
The first step was just to remove some decals using some fire.
Damn, this frame's hot. Look at that. I've decided to use some paint stripper. Just thought sanding might take a bit too long. We'll try paint stripper. I'm not 100% sure it'll work, but we'll see how she goes. It appears the paint stripper's worked a bit better this time. The paint's actually blistered. The only thing is, I've pretty much run out of this stuff. I've only got a little bit left. So that sucks, but we'll get it done. No worries. It's not amazing. Oh, it's coming off. I think we need to get a wire brush. So, after using paint stripper on it and it's blistered, I'm going to start using paint stripper, and that will not only get the paint that's blistered off, also scrape off the edges, and it's just a good method. So look at that. Most of it off. There's still a bit left, which I'll just finish cleaning up with the scraper and get to sanding it all. I've still got a bit of sanding to do, and I still have to get a bit of paint off this seat clamp. It's really hard, just because it gets up all in there and whatever, but I've decided to just leave it raw, I reckon. Like, I'll continue sanding, sand it with a finer grit, and then polish it up, and I reckon it looks sweet. I'm really digging the raw steel. And then I'm not sure if I want to add this to a bike or not. I might have it a decorative piece because steel rusts. So, and if you've ever seen like a raw steel BMX, they've got a little like rust veins, and like, I reckon it looks dope as hell, and I don't know, I think I'll experiment with it and see how it goes. now just gonna give a little bit of a polish with some metal polish and steel wool.
I don't know about you, but I reckon the frame came out super sweet and looks mean as.